and it's Boxing Day night, just turned into the 27th of December 2017, and there's a snow blizzard here in Corby. It's the second time this year so far, this winter, that we've had a lot of snow. You can see it's building up quite a lot in our garden here in Corby, and it's about 1:30 in the morning, and
nearly 1:45.
nearly 1:45, and it's snowing quite heavily.
Are they travelling tomorrow? They are, aren't they? Abram and...
Yeah, supposedly.
In the van?
Yeah.
Will it work?
So yeah.
Well, we certainly glad we got the Get You Home service, haven't we? Oh yeah.
And on this side is the front of the house.
The cars have gone.
You can see all the cars
There's no blue car
getting covered with snow, and all the street is covered with snow.
Magical. It's magical.
No blue car. Again, look at those lights in the distance, John. The three highlights, the way that snow's almost horizontal, isn't it? It's quite a wind with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serious snow here in Corby, Northamptonshire. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks everybody for watching. Tune in next time for some more extreme weather adventures.